Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and over the past few years, my makeup collection has gotten really extensive and a little bit chaotic, so I am super happy to now have this Youdepot makeup organizer. I absolutely adore the look of this makeup organizer. It's not made of plastic, it's made of tempered glass, which makes it feel really luxe to me, and I am completely in love with the rose gold trimming. I think it looks like something a princess would own. It is so pretty and feminine. I have been impressed by just how roomy this thing is. It can hold a lot of makeup. This is because of its excellent design and the many drawers and compartments it has. Something that I think is just such an amazing touch is the fact that it came with pearls, so I can stand my makeup brushes up in the pearls and store them that way. I no longer have to go rummaging through all my makeup bags to find a specific makeup item. I even found lipsticks as I was stocking this makeup organizer that I haven't worn for years because I couldn't find them. Thanks to this organizer, everything is decluttered and organized and all in one space, and I can get those lipsticks back in my rotation. Not only do I think that this makeup organizer is completely gorgeous, but it has totally helped me to clean up my makeup area. But that's just my point of view.